sa tenga tinamaan, as in ganyan. May namatay na isa, tapos dalawa ang wounded.
Hindi, kasi nga, kung hindi siya nag-turn, siguradong nadali siya.
Kasi right now, feeling ko, who's gonna solve that problem right now? Right now, what we're facing, di ba? Kasi, kung ma-solve lahat yun, that would put us in a better future eh. People's power pa rin. People's ano pa rin ang masusunod eh.
I pray na lang na sana'y kung sino man yung magiging elected leaders or ma-elect, na they always think about the other people. Hello everyone, this is Elizabeth Velasco from the Velasco team of Remax Gold, and this is
Alvin Reyes with Supreme Lending.
And welcome to our
episode 50
of
Bahay Pinoy sa Tate! Yes!
Hello Alvin!
Hi!
My God!
Oo nga.
Episode 50 na tayo!
Iniisip ko nga yan kanina nung nagdadrive ako rito. Oh my gosh, 50 times na pala ako nagdadrive dito. Sa Sacramento.
Hindi naman.
Walang bumagyo.
Hindi kasi remember pag nagtitaping tayo 3 at a time.
Ganun ba?
Kailangan i-divide mo yun into 2 or into 3.
Akala ko mapapansin mo eh. Para maibigay mo sa akin yung season ticket mo. Ganun
oo nga, season ticket. Hindi. Inaawitan na ako ni Alvin. Kasi yung 49ers, football game. Alam naman ninyo, maraming umaawit. Pati yung CPA ko, inaawitan na rin ako na ibigay daw sa kanya yung Dallas.
Mayaman naman yung CPA mo eh.
Hindi. Pati ba naman yung Chiefs? Ayoko ibigay yun sa akin yun. Kasi baka makita ko si Taylor Swift. Diba?
Anyway, ito yung nagbabagang balita ngayon.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Grabe.
Medyo controversial to ha.
Hindi lang controversial, talagang
current event.
Sa akin talaga, parang akala ko sa Pilipinas lang talaga nangyayari itong mga ganitong bagay, di ba?
Grabe pa.
Pag eleksyon may...
Ito na, political drama.
Sobra nagtitirahan, di ba?
OMG.
I don't know if you know, again, wala naman kaming, we're not politicians here.
Yeah, this is just our opinion. Anong bang nangyari recently?
Yeah, recently, alam naman natin na ang Republican at a convention sa Milwaukee, and the elected president, former President Trump, almost got shot.
Oo nga, that was when he was doing his rally in Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Right? Milwaukee ba? Pennsylvania? Pennsylvania.
I'm sorry. Pennsylvania, yes.
And sa tenga tinamaan, as in ganyan. May namatay na isa, tapos dalawa ang wounded.
Hindi, kasi nga, kung hindi siya nag-turn, siguradong nadali siya.
Sa tenga na lang, ganyan na lang ang di ba?
Oo nga.
Ganun lang ka, I mean, as an inch away from being dead.
Dumaplis nga.
Dumaplis, grabe.
Dumaplis. Alam mo, maganda kasi, buti na lang naka-wear siya ng hat. Kasi kung hindi siya naka-wear ng hat, di ba parang yung, anong tawag dito, mahirap i-angle. Kasi syempre may cap yun, di ba?
Parang may sinusundan siya.
Oo nga.
Di ba? Kasi yung hat niya, right?
So, dahil nag-turn siya, the moment na na-release yung bala, yun, kaya dumaplis.
Well, audience, guys, just wanna remind you, we're not politicians here. We just wanna talk about the event that has happened for the past few days.
Okay, so I mean, yung suspect, bata.
Bata pa, 20 years old.
Ano ba naman yan? And I heard na nabubuli daw yung bata. Baka meron sigurong mental issues.
Ganun ba? Pag nabubuli ka na, gusto magpati ng presidente. Napakadaming speculation.
Hindi naman siya dating presidente.
Hindi nga, former. But I'm just saying, gustong pumatay ng ex-president.
Okay, teka muna. Ano kaya motivation ng bata?
Could be anything. Pero
he's only 20 years old.
So hindi mo na malalaman kasi nga, he got shot in the head, dead on the spot. And of course, right now, what they're doing, the FBI, I believe, is just trying to search yung bahay niya, kind of like backtrack
pero okay, so ito naman, what if parang ano lang yan, parang set up lang? What do you think?
Nako, yan ka na naman eh.
Hindi. I mean,
conspiracy to. Pero,
hindi. Kasi tingnan mo, di ba marami tayong napapanood na parang mga movies, action movies. Di ba? Minsan, parang bata, tapos you're actually trying to take out a giant. It doesn't make sense.
Ano yung kumbaga ba, ano yung why mo diba? And
anong motivation?
Anong motivation mo to the extent na gusto mong gawin yun with that kind of age, sobrang bata.
And you're only 20. I mean, how could you form so much hate on one person?
Yeah.
I mean, okay, if you're 20, it's not like you really know former President Trump, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this kid only knows this person in the media.
Wala sa generation, di ba? Right?
Oo nga. And when former president was elected, he was what? He was 12 years old?
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. About few
12,
years.
13 years old. He was
14, mga ganyan.
He was in high school when Trump was elected during that time.
Yeah.
So how is he able to form that kind of hatred towards one person?
Well, napakadaming speculations, number one. Number two, again, it could be anything, pero remember, one of the things ng sinasabi ngayon ng FBI that they've actually have gotten o na-receive nila ng warning na may something is gonna be plotting for this happening already, and sinasabi nila daw Iran.
Oh, so ang daming
pwedeng possibility, di ba? Right?
Hindi,
Iran.
kasi paano kung sinetap lang yung batang yun?
Yun na nga, kasi alam naman natin in social media, maraming mga, alam mo naman, napakadaming propaganda, dyan nanggagaling din yung mga, alam natin, mga ISIS, dyan sila kumbaga nagre-recruit sa online, sa social media as well, as you know that, right? Isa pa yun. It could be anything, but the truth of the matter is that ako, like, for instance, sa Pilipinas, parang nangyayari to nakikita natin to pag ting election, madami talaga, di ba? Marami nagtitirahan, di ba?
Correct.
Parang sa Pilipinas, parang hindi na bago to. Di ba? Maraming,
it's it's
parating given. May ganun. Parating may patayan pagka sa atin, no? And hopefully this time sana wala, pero yun ang history. Pero dito sa Amerika, first time ko talagang
maka-experience.
Kasi the last time was JFK right?
Oo nga. I mean,
JFK or Ronald Reagan, I think.
No, but it's really crazy what's happening in the world right now.
Correct.
I mean, even here in the US, I mean, I try to, honestly, Alvin, I try to stay away from news.
Yeah.
Kasi everything in the news is bad news.
Yeah.
Parang nato-traumatize ako na puros, they always instill fear on you.
Tama.
So ever since I stopped watching the news.
Yeah. And tamang-tama ka dyan. You know why? Kasi, like I said, for me, maski sa asawa ko, when I go home, nasa news ka na naman. Wala na tayong narinig na maganda. Lagi na lang either, tulad yan, parating politics issue, right? Banggaan sa isa't isa. Kung di yan, maraming, just negative stuff. Wala nang, parang mas more ang negative kaysa sa good news Right?
Pero ikaw, I know I'm just gonna ask you, I mean, sa atin lang to, okay? Sino bang iboboto mo this election? O boboto ka ba? O you wanna keep it to yourself?
Okay. Undecided pa rin ako up to now.
Undecided.
Okay, pero
teka muna, di ba they are thinking of replacing President Biden?
Yes, kasi again, the reason why I'm decided is number one is because syempre, at the end of the day, what I want is to solve the current problems that we have right now.
Oo nga, kasi grabe
really,
na
what's the current problem that I think for me?
And we're becoming a laughing stock.
Yun na nga.
Diba? Para bang, dati nun when I travel, the world, or I go vacation, I'm so proud to wear, having a US passport, diba?
Yeah.
US citizen. Ngayon, para bang,
parang okay.
Parang ewan, hindi ko
parang mag-blue passport holder ka, parang bigatin ka,
di ba? Ngayon para bang ewan ko, hindi ko na hindi ko na ma-assess kung anong nangyayari.
No, again, I don't want to, at least I'm undecided, pero sa akin lang kasi pagbabago lang, kailangan ng konting pagbabago in our border, sa ekonomiya.
And also relationship with other countries.
Other countries.
Kasi maraming mga nagsasabi World War III na daw. Oh my goodness. I mean, we're far out
parang
from
feel ko kasi dati we used to be the police of the world.
The US, diba? I mean, the world.
Parang ngayon, parang naging barangay tanod na lang tayo Parang ngayon, ewan ko ba? Diba?
Parang hindi na tayo siniseryoso.
Parang barangay tanod na lang tayo. Punta kasi pag may away doon kasi barangay tanod magpunta, di ba?
Hindi na nga tayo siniseryoso.
Yun ang feel ko. Pero sana, again, I will make my decision at,
when the time
comes, when it's time to cross the bridge. Pero hindi ko kasi nakikita, hindi ko kasi nakikita
yung gusto mong makita
sa kay diretso na ako, hindi ko nakikita kay Biden yung tinatawag na let's do it, walang ganun
hindi siguro iba kasing pamamaraan yan, may ibang mga kalma lang, iba I mean, this is like the biggest, position. You're ruling the whole nation. And I wouldn't say ruling, leading the whole nation.
Akala ko pinag-uusapan, Chow Ming, yung pala kape. Parang ganun di ba? Gets mo ako? Di ba? Pagkata, kape pala. Anyway, again, opinion ko lang yun.
Do you think because he's not physically capable? How old is na ba?
Actually, sabi nila,
ilang taon na ba
hindi naman siya gaano katandaan, pero talagang, siyempre, hindi naman nakukuha sa...
Hindi, di ba sinabi nga, kailangan daw niyang magpa-test. Ano ba yun? Ano mang test yun?
Hindi ko alam, basta kailangan niya magpa-doctor.
Mental, whatever, capacity test.
Meron na nga, di ba? Mismo nung sinabi, they had one already and sinabi nga nila
anong findings?
Diba, he's not, kasi diba meron siyang parang there's a little bit of a case sa kanya, right, na kailangan siyang kung pwede siyang kasuhan, something about the Russian, whatever it is, sa anak din niya. Pero sinabi sa kanya, yung doktor sabi, he's not capable daw to be prosecuted kasi wala siya sa sariling pag-iisip.
Sino man pinag-uusapan natin?
Si Biden. Sino pa ba?
So ibig mo sabihin wala siya sa sariling pag-iisip?
According from ito few months ago nito, according from the result nung una.
Okay.
Pero again, ang hirap sabihin kasi napakadami na rin kasing lies. Diba? Yung sarili niyang mga tao sinasabi, he's making this and this, and then pag nakita mo in front of the TV, pag nakikita mo actual, you're seeing naman talaga. Nakikita mo naman talaga. Hindi naman tayo siguro stupid na alam natin na, diba?
Na ini-ignore natin yung mga symptoms and signs.
Oo, kasi nga
pero ganito, Alvin. Ang sinasabi naman, argument naman ng mga ibang tao. They wanna elect or choose the less evil daw.
Okay.
So, I mean, mabigat yung word na yun less evil.
Mabigat talaga. Ano ba itsura ng evil? May sungay?
Teka muna. No, what I'm just trying to say, kasi nga, di ba, itong ating isang, a former
president. The former president.
May maraming kaso.
Tama.
So, ang argument nila, kung ma-elect siya, ipapardon niya yung sarili niya.
Tama rin naman,
So, anong kind of example yan?
Parang interest of conflict, gano'n.
I mean, what kind of example we could show sa anong tawag dito, sa society or sa Americans na, you could get away pala. So, yun ang argument ng iba.
Tama. Pwede. I mean, that's also an argument. I get it, right?
Yeah. Pero ako naman, I mean, not taking sides. It's like, maybe, yes, he did. Maybe kasi, he has this really big eager to win and he'll do whatever he needs to do. It takes to win. And I know some people who are like, really want to win.
Yeah.
Ganun sila
Yeah. And
kasi
I understand.
There's such a go-getter na talagang at all costs.
Yeah, and I understand. He has ego. Okay? His ego, I mean, I'm gonna be honest, the way he is.
Yeah, correct.
Ang ego niya talaga up to here, di ba? Alam naman natin yan. Nakikita naman natin siya before pa, offhand o noon pa naman, hindi pa siya, nung tumatakbo pa lang siya, meron siyang TV series ng di ba? Siya yung boss, di ba? Right?
Yan, nanonood ako na. You're fired.
You're fired, di ba? I don't like you. I don't like your hair. You're fired. Parang ganun ba?
Diba? But he has the ego.
He has power trip. And it's because of who he is, right?
Yeah, correct. Pero ang argument naman ng iba, kasi nga, he was born in a silver spoon, iba ang upbringing niya.
Yeah.
So he can't really relate to, yung mga mamamayan na simpleng buhay, na regular people. So baka yun ang parang
sinasabi nila,
na kasi he never been there. Hindi niya naranasan maghirap, working families, raising children, by himself or single mom. Also, I mean, kasi right now the world is really changing.
Yes, it is, and it's changing fast.
It's changing fast. So, ako, I mean, kung sinong iboboto ko, actually, ang iboboto ko, yung binoto ko nung the 2 years prior to election and the election, before this.
Si Clinton?
Hindi.
Sino?
2 beses ko na siya. Nung una,
okay, got
so,
you.
Yun ang iboboto ko.
Yes. Yeah.
Oo, kasi para sa akin, I want good leadership.
Kalmado siya di ba? Magaling magsalita, right?
Hindi naman, I wouldn't say kalmado. Hindi ko nga sasabihin sa'yo kasi nung pero ang hint ko is I need good leadership. Kasi minsan, pag maraming pasaway, kailangan talaga.
Kailangan mo rin ng, kasi
kailangan mo ng authoritarian.
Yeah, kailangan meron kang.
I mean, at the end of the day, 4 years lang naman to.
Oo nga.
I mean, let him, kung sino man yung mananalo, ayusin ang mga kailangan ayusin.
Yes.
And then after 4 years, then we're done.
We'll take it from there, right? And
we take another one.
Yeah. Ito ako, right? Again, for me, I get it, di ba? Na evil man, whatever it is, right? But for me, ang sa akin kasi, today's problem di ba? It doesn't matter what it is or kung sino, but if that person going to solve today's problem, or what we're right now, number 1 for me is inflation, number 2 for me is the border, right? Okay, and number 3 for me economy nga, and number 3 for me is, of course, world peace or negotiation with other countries na wala nang ganong gera or walang more peaceful ba, di ba? Right? Kasi right now, feeling ko, who's gonna solve that problem right now? Right now, what we're facing, di ba? Kasi kung ma-solve lahat yun, that would put us in a better future.
Yeah, correct. Hindi, at saka, syempre kasi iniisip natin yung mga magiging anak, yung mga anak natin, correct. Yung future nila, di ba? Ang argument lang ng iba, kasi nga, less tolerable itong isang elected official. I don't know, the word R, medyo R daw yung isang elected official. Just us being minority. So syempre parang, what's your take on that? Kasi at the end of the day, kaya nga tawag United States of America.
Yes.
The word United, iba-iba talagang lahi. Kasi this is
iba-ibang opinion, iba-ibang pananaw.
Land of the free. Iba-ibang lahi ang pumupunta dito. And that's what make us Americans.
Correct.
Diba?
Yes.
So, the fact na ganun nga daw na pinapabura ng different lahi, what's your take on that?
It's hard to say kasi wala naman talaga ako nakikitang
Kasi I mean, when he was president at that time, wala naman akong actually our economy was good.
Yun ibig ko sabihin, wala ako, again, everybody's giving different
opinion,
statistic or opinion or view. Pero base me as an American citizen, right? As part of this American society, wala akong nakitang problema nung siya nakaupo Feel ko parang mas peaceful ang world natin at that time.
Marami siyang nagawa.
Marami siyang, effective yung mga yung policies niya, mga policies niya.
Marami siyang nagawa.
Borders was a little bit, in my own opinion, wala naman time. Under control. The economy was certainly pretty well. Right?
Pero nga, ang sinasabi nga ng iba, dahil nga daw, maraming mga palusot na mga ginagawa or parang, more like, to make money for him. I don't know if that's true.
Well, again,
corrupt, is that the word?
Okay.
I don't know.
At the end of the day, for me as an American, it was good for me. It doesn't matter what it is in the back end, right?
Okay.
Yun lang naman ako, right?
Okay. So integrity is not important to
yes,
you?
it is important to me, but I'm just saying, all that could be also, I mean, in my own opinion, right? Pwede rin false allegations.
Correct.
Right? I mean,
ang dami nang sampang
yun
kaso.
Yun na nga din, di ba? Right? Pero again, I'm going
Kesyo ng daya daw, ganun.
Pero I'm going back now nga to what are we facing right now.
Bakit kasi hindi nila palitan yung isa?
Yun nga pa. Doon na nga papunta, di ba? Gusto nilang palitan.
July na ngayon sa November ng election, bilisan na nila.
Ang sabi nga niya, the only person na pwede akong pababain dito ay si Jesus.
Sinabi mo yun?
Sabi niya yun eh. Okay. I mean,
I did not know that.
Ano rin siya, di ba? Talagang he's standing. He's standing. And he wants, he means well. And I you know what? At the end of the day, I wish na hindi natin nakikita natin.
Hindi. Kasi ganito parang kung siyang presidente, di ba? Yung last 4 years, yan ang report card niya.
Correct.
So, the American people will reflect back. Ano bang nagawa mo the last 4 years?
Yun.
Did it get better or did it get worse?
Performance pa rin eh.
Performance. So, yung performance, siguro, hindi niya, it's not up to par to that.
Yeah.
So, kaya siguro, yung mga iba, titiwalag na. I-elect na lang
tapos
yung isa.
nilagyan pa ng health issue. Di ba? After 4 years, di ba?
Correct.
Can you move forward another 4 years without getting worse?
Worst case scenario, there's always a vice president.
Yeah, but that's not the point. The point of being a president is
Okay, so what do you think of the vice president?
I just did that, right? Yun na yun.
No comment.
Because she's always laughing. Right? Diba? Yun, that's what I think. I don't wanna say anything, but she's always, diba? Parang siyang, pag ini-interview siya, ganun siya lagi.
Hindi, ganito. Kasi ang sinasabi nila, kapag na-elect daw ulit yung presidente natin ngayon, magiging parang puppet na lang daw.
Yun na.
Totoo ba yun? Pwede bang magkaroon ng puppet ang Amerika? Ikaw ang pinaka...
Yun na nga, ikaw ang decision...
Holders.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yeah. Yun nga mahirap kasi minsan... Guys, hindi ko alam kung ako lang to Pero minsan...
Alvin, we need to be careful kasi baka makancel tayo dito.
I want to be honest. Give your opinion. Pag pinapanood ko mga interview ni Biden, at the end of the day, wala akong maintindihan. Now, maybe it's me. Hindi ako marunong umintindi. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanya, akala ko pinag-uusapan, chow mein, yung pala, kape. Totoo yan. Now, ako lang to, Pero, guys, again, I could be wrong.
This is ridiculous.
Nahihirapan ako intindihin kung ano talaga yung punto.
Honestly, this is ridiculous. We're becoming a laughing stock. Diba?
Yun na nga, parang feel ko lang yun. Tsaka parang, again, sabi ko nga sa'yo, dati ang United States used to be the police of the world. Parang ngayon, barangay tanod na lang tayo. Yun ang masakit doon. Parang wala yung respeto ng konti. Again,
wala na nga.
Sa nakikita ko lang to, and guys, throw it on me. Pies on my face kung mali ako, pero yun ang nakikita ko. And if you do agree, let me know, pero yun na nakikita ko.
Well, again, to all of you who are listening, this is just our opinion. So, everybody is entitled to their opinion. So, pero ito lang yung parang na-observe niya at na-observe ko. We don't mean to be, politically correct or incorrect or whatever. Kaya nga ako, isip ang kung sinong iboboto.
Remember, undecided pa rin ako, right? Undecided pa rin ako. Wala pang pinipili.
Anything could happen.
Yeah, anything could happen, right? Kasi ako, I still believe in integrity, number one. I'm still believe in being honest. Right?
Okay. So ganito. Di ba, alam mo naman ang Amerika, may checks and balance, right? Okay. So, let's say, ma-elect tong presidente natin, si Trump, kunyari.
Okay.
Meron namang checks and balance Meron tayong Congress at saka kahit gustuin niya pero kung hindi mag-agree
bipartisan pa rin, everybody needs to agree pa rin.
So how can we get things done kung yung isang presidente natin is combative na para bang may issue to get along with other people? How can we solve that problem once, let's say, siyang ma-elect?
How can we solve that problem?
Yes, kung halimbawa maraming hindi ayon sa kanya. Pero this is good for the American people. So yun na yung politics na. Alam mo naman pag nasa politika ka, you are actually known as balimbing.
Yes.
Kasi minsan kailangan
Understood.
Sawa sa init, sa lamig.
Understood.
Minsan you have to maggiting aso ka to get things done.
Understood. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's what politics is all about
Correct.
Right?
Oo.
You have to be some way neutral or you have to go with the flow. Pero kasi at the end of the day, people's power pa rin. People's ano pa rin ang masusunod
Yeah. That's what, I pray na lang na sana kung sino man yung magiging elected leaders or ma-elect na they always think about the other people na there's a lot of weight on that position. Okay?
Yes.
Na, I mean, think about it. Ano na sila? Mga 80 na ba?
Yeah. Going to 80.
Okay, so they're going to 80s. This is their para bang
last roll.
Last roll nila na para matanggap sila sa langit.
Ayun na nga.
Na gawin na ninyo yung mga magagandang bagay na mag-iiwan sila ng magandang ng magandang policies or magandang mga nagawa na makikinabang at mag-uunlad ang Amerika pa.
And I'm sure naman yun naman ang gusto rin ng any president naman, di ba?
Hindi, speaking of Trump, he does not need to do this kasi he's already rich enough.
Tama yun.
Pero bakit kailangan niya mag-enter ng politics? I think because he want things done.
To be better.
To be better.
And what he's seeing right now, and I totally believe din, maski ako, nakikita ko, I think everybody is as well, hindi ko alam if everyone, but he just wants, guys, we just have to be better kasi napakadami talagang is not going right for United States of America. Napakadami talaga.
Hindi, kaso nga, dahil nga, hindi siya open sa ibang lahi. Yun ang parang tapos vocal pa siya minsan
very blunt.
Walang preno yung bibig niya.
Na may kilala ako niyan, taga Remax. Taga Stockton din. Pero it doesn't mean na talagang ganun siya.
I think he means well.
Ganun lang talaga siya.
Kailangan lang niyang i-finish yung pagsasalita niya.
Yun ba, medyo,
kasi marami siyang nasasagasaan pag nagsasalita siya.
Ganun talaga siya
So kung ma-finish niya lang yun, di ba? Na maiayos niya yung ganun, then it will actually, he will get other people.
Tsaka wag na makipag-usap sa mga porn star. Diba?
Hoy, teka muna. Saan mo naman nakuha yung thesis na yan?
Doon siya inaano, diba? Sa kaso yung daw binayaran daw niya yung porn star na wag magsalita. Hindi kasi nakikinig
Teka muna. Tell me about that. Ano
ito yung isa sa mga kasong binibigay siya na ano sa kanya, na allegation na nakipag ano siya sa porn star. Tapos binayaran niya sila para tumahimik, nagsinettled.
Bakit anong ginawa niya? Gumagamit siya ng prostitution. Ganun.
Parang ganon. Diba? Parang ganon. Pero again, narinig lang to. Pero joke lang din yung sinabi ko. Pero yun yung isa sa mga allegations sa kanya.
Ang dami palang...
Marami
pala siyang skeleton inside the closet.
Pero again, me, at the end of the day...
parang nakakatakot din yan pag ganyan.
Yeah, pero sa akin kasi, again, babalik yung sarili ko sa ano yung priority, what's today's all about, hindi yung past ng tao.
Pero alam mo,
kasi yung tao pwede magbago, di ba?
Hindi, magbago. Pero I'll tell you this, okay? May mga ibang mga politicians, especially yung mga heavyweight, yung responsibility nila.
Yes.
Na they're good leaders. And they're good, president, whatever that is. Pero personal life, they're bad. Kasi minsan gumagamit sila ng mga outlet na ganyan to relieve their stress. So, tama yan. But that's personal.
Personal yun Yun
so we need to, that's why you have to draw the line. Na ito pang karapat-dapat nating i-elect.
Tama.
Do we judge them by, how they are as a leader or how they are personally or as a whole person? Kasi ang hirap makahanap ng whole package.
Tama. Diba? Example, yung doktor ko, nagyoyosin, naninigarilyo. Diba?
Doktor yun.
Doktor ko, sabi sa akin, Alvin, huwag kang manigarilyo. Ba't ikaw naninigarilyo? Do what I say, not what I do. Diba?
Okay. So, ganun lang.
Parang ganun lang yun kung ano yung makakabuti. Pero anyway, guys, we just want to be...
This is our opinion. Yes, and you guys have your own opinion. And we respect that.
We're just talking about this.
Yes, we're just like kind of, that sabi-sabi lang.
And at the end of the day, I'm glad.
Pinag-uusapan lang.
I'm glad na hindi tinamaan si Trump, and of course, sorry for the people na wounded.
Yes, and I pray na,
we'll be better.
Na everyone will be better. And
for both presidential nominees.
Yeah, and I want it to be a peaceful election. And let the America decide for it.
Yes, yun lang.
So anyway, there you have it. And thank you for tuning in for our episode 50 of Bahay Pinoy sa Tate.
Please subscribe and follow us. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.